In this video, we're going to identify and analyze sampling techniques from 1.3. So what is the difference between a random sample and a simple random sample? With a random sample, each individual has the same chance of being selected. With a simple random sample, all samples of the same size have the same chance of being selected. That's the difference. Identify the sampling techniques used and discuss potential sources of bias, if any, and explain. After an earthquake, a disaster area is divided into 200 equal grids. 30 of the grids are selected, and every occupied household in the grid is interviewed to help focus relief efforts on what residents require the most. So what type of sample is being used? This is cluster sampling is used since the disaster area is divided into grids, and some of those grids are selected and everyone in those grids is interviewed. Then what potential sources of bias are present, if any? So A, certain grids may have been much more severely damaged than others. The grids that are selected may not be representative in terms of damage. And C, certain grids may have been much more severely damaged than other severely damaged grids, may have fewer occupied households. And D, let's look at number 3 here. Determine whether you would take a census or use a sampling to collect data for the study described below. If you would use a sampling, determine which of the sampling techniques you would use and explain. So the most popular grocery store among the 45 residents of a retirement community is what you want to find out. So the correct answer here is D, that we would want to take a census because the population, the 45 residents, is small enough that it is practical to record all of the responses. There's no need to take a sample when you only have 45 residents that you're trying to get information from. All right, that's it for this video. And we'll come back next time and we will talk more about 1.3. See you for the next video.